Hello everyone, I hope you are enjoying the ExamPrepTool bootcamp. Now bootcamp 4, right? Bootcamp 4. Let's see the bootcamp 4 answer, right? So first let me explain the problem once again. In the given array, see the problem. This is the given array. In the given array, find any three people whose product is maximum. In the given array, find any three people, any three, whose product is maximum. That is a goal. So in this array, if you want, you can find out in this array. Take any three people. Take any three people whose product is maximum. So see this one. When you say maximum, you don't want to take negative. But by multiplying these two people, even though negative, you will get positive. So these three people answer is this. This is the maximum. So if only positive is there, problem is very simple. Only positive. Take first maximum, second maximum, third maximum. Only negative. There also same. Take first maximum, second maximum, third maximum. All positive easy, all negative easy. Positive negative combination. Right? This may be something like this. So for this problem, three people maximum. Three people product maximum. So answer is 24,000. Here you can check. All negative. All negative people, right? I think it's a normal. Take the first maximum. I think it's the first maximum. Second maximum, third maximum. So multiply that. You will get this. Now next one. Suppose almost all positive. If all positive, again same story. First maximum, second maximum, third maximum. So this. Right? The combination of positive negative. See, you have to take, I think this is going to be tricky. This is going to be tricky. So in the given array, find any three people whose product is maximum. That is our problem. Right? Let's come to the solution. Let's come to the solution. I'm going to explain. See the solution. Very simple answer. Very simple answer. See the solution. You have to find out any three people whose product is maximum. So what you do is, see everyone. This is the array. This is the array. Very simple answer. This is the array. In this array, what you do is, this may be something. You want three people. First person, second person, third person. First person, second person, third person. You want to find out three people. Third person, first person, second person, third person. So you take three people, first one, second one, third one, multiply. Let us assume that. So maximum product is equal to first one, second one, third one. Right? Do that. So this is the answer. Now what you do is that will be compared with, right? Fs fixed, T rotate. Right? So now with the new one, compare the old one. Right? So comparing the FST value, old FST value and new FST value, if you compare, if new one is bigger, update. Otherwise, don't update. Right? Next one. That will be compared with the 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 next one. Like that, do one round. After one round over, you got some maximum here. Now what you do is, this is not yes. So one round over, for the t purpose, one round. In the similar way, yes also. Yes keep here, again t will be like this. One more round. Yes keep here, one more t will be like this. Yes keep here, one more t will be like this. So, right, one time changing t, one loop, n, t purpose, one loop. Next one, S purpose, one more loop. Whenever T and S both over, then F will be increment by 1. S will be here, T will be here, same story will repeat. Next one, for F purpose, one more loop, 3 for loops, right? I think time complexity become big O of n cube, worst case. Simply 3 for loops. When you say 3 for loops, what do you mean? Every 3 people you are covering. Every 3 people you are covering. Every 3 people you are covering. Every 3 people. Not only continuous, every 3. Every 3 people you are covering. Every 3 people you are covering. Like that you are doing. So 3 inner loops. I loop, J loop, K loop. Or F loop, S loop, T loop. So like that, you have to do 3 in the loop, time complexity n cube. Out of n people, selecting 3 people, nc3, nc3. So n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 1, 2, 3. So approximately these many combinations are there. Time complexity big O of n cube. Space is, I think, nothing extra. Extra will be some local variable. So time complexity big O of n cube. Worst case. Best case may be, suppose when you take f here, s here, t here, when you try this one, you will get a maximum. But what is the guarantee? So you have to check all combinations. So this is not only worst case, I think, right? Best case also, average case also, everything. So every case, time complexity R of n cube, every case, not only worst case, every case, because we have to find out the maximum. You have to compare with other. Some people are asking, sir, the program for this. I written also very simple program, very simple Python program. Can you see this one? This is array, right? So find the length of the array. Then call the max product function by passing that array. By passing that array, call the max function. So what you do is here, right? So one local variable you are taking max product, which is the infinite, minus infinite, because you want a maximum, take minus infinite. Then 3 loops are going on. In 3 loops are going on. Some people are asking, in those 3 loops, what should I do, sir? Right? Simple. Right? Existing maximum product, I value, j value, k value, multiply. Whichever is a maximum, take every time. Previous one, new one. Whichever maximum, take. Previous one, new one. New one. Whichever is maximum, take. Continue, continue, continue. 3 inner loops. Lastly, return. That will be the answer. Time complexity, as I mentioned to you, n cube every case. Extra space complexity, extra space 1. Space complexity, extra space is 1. I hope everyone know this is very easy. You can easily do it. Let's go to one more solution. Right? One more solution is there. This is going to be very interesting. Let's see this. This is the major one. This is the major one. In the given array, everyone listen. In the given array, you have to find out. In the given array, you have to find out 3 people whose multiplication is maximum. Let's take this array. Let's take this array. So let me, right? Let's arrange this one. Let's arrange this one in the increasing order or decreasing order. Sort first. One more answer I'm giving. Sort this first. Okay, I'm sorting. Ascending or descending, you decide whatever way you want. I'm keeping ascending order. Assume that sort ascending order. Okay, I'm sorting. That means ascending means minimum hours I have to start. Who is the first minimum? Right? I think negative number. I think negatives are small people. Minus 20, minus 10. Bigger negative number is the smaller one. Minus 20, minus 10. I think minus 3. Right? I think 5. I think 6. Total how many people? I think 5 people. First to sort them. After sorting, last 3 people are maximum. Last 3 people are maximum. First 3 people are minimum. That is okay. Right? If you take the last 3 people, because they are the maximum people, I think you will get the minus 3, 5, 6. 5, 6, 30, 30 into 3, 90. It became minus 90. If you take the first 3, some people are asking, sir, can I take the first 3? Right? Remember, negative people, if you take 3 people, negative only you will get. Negative people, if you take 3 negatives, negative only you will get. So the logic here is, right, in the sorted array, take maximum 3 people. If no negative, this is the answer. Suppose when you take 3 maximum people, if no negative there, when you take 3 maximum people, if no negative is there, that will be the answer. Suppose unfortunately negative is there. See, negative number is there. So I cannot give guarantee in the sorted array, maximum people, 3 people, if you take, you will get the answer. I cannot give guarantee. Mostly that will be the answer because of negative, there is no guarantee. Some people are asking, then sir, you want maximum, sir, why are you taking minimum? So remember everyone, even though these are negative, if you take 2 people, you will get the maximum number. So one more solution. First two people you take. Right? In small people, first two people you take, multiply. 20 into 10, 200. 200. But remember, this will be multiplied by first maximum number. Who is the first maximum number? This, which is going to be 1200. Some people are asking, sir, why can't I take the three negative numbers? Then finally you will get negative. Three negative numbers don't take. So small people take the two people, one maximum you take. So 1200. If you take all maximum, if you lucky, all maximums if you take, suppose no negative, that will be the answer. That will be the answer. So try to understand this, right? If at all no negative, suppose in the total given problem, no negatives are there. Three maximum people is the answer. Suppose negative positive combination there. This is the way. Negative positive combination is there. What you do is three maximum people you take, multiply. Two small people you take, multiply with one larger person. So 1200. In these two best one, right? 1200 is the answer for this. 1200 is the answer for this one. To this problem, answer is 1200. What I mean to say is, even though negative, you have to take. But two negatives only take. It means two small people only take. And one bigger person. That is a one combination. One more is to three bigger people you take. That is a one more combination. So what I mean to is first to sort. Okay. After sorting is over, see this one. After sorting is over, increasing or decreasing, you decide yourself. Increasing or decreasing, you decide yourself. If at all, increasing order. So array 0, array 1, array n minus 1. What is the meaning? First minimum, second minimum, right? First maximum, multiply. This is a one combination. R. First maximum, second maximum, third maximum, multiply. This is also one more combination. Answer will be these three people multiplication or these three people multiplication. I don't know which one is correct. Assume it is A, it is B. So whoever is the best, that will be the answer. We cannot do guarantee who is best. Sometimes A best, sometimes B best. So the time complexity of this problem is sorting, which will take about n log n time. You can apply quick sort, you can apply merge sort, you can apply heap sort, right? Whatever you want, you can do it. So time complexity n log n. Time complexity n log n. Space complexity based on which sorting algorithm you will apply. If you go for merge sort, always n log n, but extra space n required, because it is going to be a outplace algorithm. If you go for heap sort, n log n time, right? That is also extra space n required. That is also extra space because it's right. So heap sort, if you observe, heap sort is in place or out place. Let's see this one. If anyone having doubt, let's check heap sort. Right after constructing min heap tree, delete the minimum element, keep it at the last place. Right? So delete one more next minimum, keep in the last place. So like that you will get. So I think heap sort is going to be a in place algorithm. So you can use heap sort. N log n time guarantee order, right? Order of one space. Extra space is order of one. It's in place algorithm. Extra space constant. Right? So n log n time complexity, order of one extra space. So you can apply heap sort. Some people are asking, after sorting, what should I do, sir? After sorting, what you do is last three people will be answer, or first two people and last person will be the answer. Anyone, either A will be answer, B will be answer. So this is the program for this. Please take care. So, but time complexity n log n every case, right? In this algorithm. So there is one more nice algorithm there. That one also I will copy. So there is no n log n, nothing required. So what you do is, everyone observe. What you do is take one for loop. Careful everyone. Take one for loop. Using for loop, right? Whenever this loop is going on, right? Three maximum find out. And two minimums also find out using if and else. Right? For loop is one only. whenever this for loop, you take one for loop, there is no requirement of two for loops. One for loop you take. Take one for loop, right? Whenever this for loop is going on, find out the three maximums or two minimums, find out. After finding, right? Because of only one for loop you are taking, order of n time. One for loop only, order of n time. Right? After completion of this particular loop, you will find out, see this one, min 1, min 2, and max 1, or max 1, max 2, max 3. Right? Whenever this for loop is going on, find out three maximums find, right? Two minimums you find. Then answer is going to be min 1, min 2, or sorry, min 1, min 2, and max 1, or max 1, max 2, max 3. Out of these two people, whoever is better, he will be the answer. Because of only one loop, order of n time. What is the extra space? You are right, you are taking extra space only constant. So order of 1 extra space, which is called space complexity. Order of n time complexity. Every case. This is the best algorithm. This is the best algorithm. Some people are asking, sir, initially, what are the maximum minimums? Remember, in Python programming language, if you want initial maximum, remember, maximum if you want, you cannot take starting itself big maximum number. Take initially max a is equal to, right? System generated maximum value minus 1, minus you have to keep. This is going to be a very small minimum value possible in Python. In Python, if you want smallest minimal value, this is the way. Initially, maximum assuming I have very small value. Max B also assuming I have very small value. Max C also assuming I have initially very small value. Whenever this process is going on, if process is correct, you will keep on update here. Similarly, initially, if you want minimum value, if you want minimum value, finally, initial minimum value is a maximum value. System max size. It is the maximum value possible. It is the maximum value possible. Initially, assume this maximum as minimum. Right? So after these are the initial people, it is something like maximum people initially keep minus infinite, minimum people initially keep plus infinite, almost like that. But in Python, this is the way how to initialize, right? Right? Yeah, minimum value if you want Python, initialize like this. Maximum value if you want in Python, initialize like this. In every programming language, some way is there. So it is almost like those people who are confused. Initial maximum people are minus infinite. It's almost like that. Initial minimum people are plus infinite. Plus infinite. Initial maximum people are minus infinite. Initial minimum people are plus infinite. This is the way. Right? Don't think much about this. Right? Don't think much about this. But in Python, this kind of facility there, you can utilize it. Right? Thank you. I hope you are really enjoying this. I hope you really enjoy in the right. In next lecture, we'll meet once again with the next boot camp. Thank you so much. Right, all the best.